Hello learners, welcome to our channel English Learning. In this tutorial we will learn the meaning of positive in English and Hindi with example sentences. Positive meaning in English is completely sure, expecting good things or improvement, or a way that makes you or somebody else feel hopeful and confident. पॉजिटिव का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है सकारात्मक, स्थिर, स्पष्ट या निश्चित. Example sentences. Try to have a positive attitude about everything. हर चीज के प्रति सकारात्मक नजरिया रखने की कोशिश करें. It was generally a positive conversation. यह आम तौर पर एक सकारात्मक बातचीत थी. I adopted a positive outlook on life. मैंने जीवन के प्रति सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण अपनाया. He gave a positive answer to my question. उन्होंने मेरे प्रश्न का सकारात्मक उत्तर दिया.